Is your construction business paying exorbitant state fund insurance premiums? Cal Commercial Insurance, servicing Los Angeles, CA, announces the launch of state fund alternative policies. With this development, you can easily find coverage that suits both your needs and budget. You can maximize profits and lower state fund insurance premiums without sacrificing the quality of coverage. They work with HVAC specialists, concrete contractors, plumbers, and the construction trades. Learn more by calling 949-771-7731 or visit statefund.calcommercialinsurance.com.